Want to move your crypto from Trust Wallet straight to your bank account? Here is a simple step-by-step guide. Open Trust Wallet and select the coin you want to withdraw, for example BNB. Remember, Trust Wallet itself doesn't support direct bank withdrawals. You'll need to send your crypto to an exchange. Choose a trusted exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Copy your deposit. Copy your deposit address from the exchange and paste it to Trust Wallet. Confirm the network and complete the transfer. Wait for the blockchain confirmation. Once your crypto arrives on the exchange, head to the sell section, convert your crypto to the fiat currency like USD, Euro, or your local currency. Now, connect your bank account to the exchange if you haven't already. Then withdraw your fiat directly to your bank. And that's it. You've successfully moved crypto from Trust Wallet to your bank. Always double check addresses and use reputable exchanges for safety. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.